In front of me is REALME 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on System and Updates. Then select Keyboard and Input Method, click on Manage Keyboards, and finally Gboard. Now hit Text Correction and use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!